In the diagram, line PQ is parallel to line RS. Angle X and Y are called, we have four options here. The first one is co-interior angles. The second one is corresponding angles. The third one is vertically opposite angles. And the fourth one is alternate angles. When you have two parallel lines like the one we have here and a transversal crossing it, then the angle formed at X and the angle formed at Y are known as alternate angles. So here the correct option is option D, alternate angles. Angle X and angle Y are called alternate angles.